At Ouville-la-Rivière, each day starts with the same commitment, that of a cutting-edge industrial site driven by dedicated men and women. Here, human values drive performance, expertise, precision, and pride, each one reinforcing proven technical skill. PTL, key site of Groupe Sphère, produces the leading brand Alfapac and private label brands. Here, innovation is at the heart of our solutions for consumers and the professional sector. Rooted at the heart of the community, PTL brings together 3 generations of know-how. It's an important employer for the area, but above all, it is a business proud of its local connections. PTL is fully in line with the CAP 2030 strategy of Groupe Sphère. Fewer fossil resources, more eco-design, and one ambition: make circular economy an industrial reality. For the past 100 years and for tomorrow, PTL builds a more useful, more sustainable, more people-oriented business. PTL, a sustainable daily life in action.